Introducing Irrisept Antimicrobial Wound Lavage. Safety, performance, ease of use. Irrisept Antimicrobial Wound Lavage offers an alternative to traditional irrigation. It has become a new standard of care in facilities across the U.S. Irrisept is intended for mechanical cleansing and removal of debris, dirt, and foreign materials, including microorganisms, from wounds. Irrisept harnesses the power of chlorhexidine gluconate, CHG, as a preservative, which offers broad-spectrum activity against various microorganisms in the bottled solution. Irrisept is formulated with 0.05% CHG in 99.95% sterile water for irrigation, USP. Irrisept boasts an impressive safety profile featuring extensive biocompatibility testing, including in vivo and in vitro studies and RCT data. Irrisept can be used for all types of wounds and can be delivered via manual compression or powered irrigation. As a ready-to-use irrigation device, Irrisept is self-contained and requires no mixing or diluting. It is sterile packaged and aseptically filled in a blow-fill seal bottle. Irrisept Antimicrobial Wound Lavage may be warmed in its packaging to a maximum of 43 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 15 days prior to use. Components for Irrisept Antimicrobial Wound Lavage include one bottle containing solution, one Irriprobe applicator, and one convenience cap. To use Irrisept Antimicrobial Wound Lavage with manual compression, begin by opening the Tyvek pouch and removing the contents. The product is contained in 2 CSR wraps. For aseptic practice, the product may be transferred onto the sterile field by unwrapping the outer CSR wrap and allowing the sterile personnel to handle the product contained in the inner CSR wrap. Note that before opening the second inner CSR wrap, it is recommended to place the bundle on a flat surface as the applicator and cap may be loose. Once unwrapped, remove the applicator from the cap and place the cap on the bottle. To open the Irrisept bottle, grasp the bottle firmly in one hand and the cap securely with the other hand. Apply slight pressure to the cap and twist quickly in one direction until the bottle top snaps off. For safe and easy disposal, the bottle top will be secured within the cap. Discard both. Attach the Irriprobe applicator by threading it on the bottle fully. Invert the bottle and use manual compression, directing the stream into the wound, ensuring complete coverage. Once use of Irrisept is complete, wait approximately 1 minute, then rinse with normal saline for irrigation. Discard any unused solution. Irrisept Antimicrobial Wound Lavage can be easily set up for use with a powered irrigation device with the accessory kit. The accessory kit contains 2 bottle hangers, 1 spikeable cap, and 1 vented spike. To start, open pouches, then refer to previously mentioned steps 1 through 4 to open the bottle. The Irriprobe that comes with the Irrisept Antimicrobial Wound Lavage device will not be needed for powered irrigation setup. Instead, attach the spikeable cap to the opened Irrisept bottle by threading the cap until secure. Slide the bottle hanger over the top of the bottle, advancing past the 200 milliliter mark until secure. Once hanger is in place, invert and hang the bottle. Attach vented spike to the powered irrigation device prior to connecting to the Irrisept bottle. Remove tab of spikeable cap by twisting in one direction until fully separated. Discard tab. Attach vented spike to Irrisept bottle and ensure it is fully seated into the spikeable cap. Open vent port on vented spike. Direct the stream of solution into the wound, ensuring complete coverage. Once use of Irrisept is complete, wait approximately 1 minute, then rinse with normal saline for irrigation. Irrisept is a single-use irrigation device intended for use by healthcare professionals only. Warning and cautions are provided and listed as part of product labeling. Irrisept is available in a variety of configurations to meet your clinical needs. To learn more about Irrisept Antimicrobial Wound Lavage, the Irrisept Accessory Kit, or to view the full portfolio, visit www.irrisept.com.